Okay, we're given a parabola for this one in question E, and we're given the turning point. Makes our life really, really easy if they give us the turning point, or the easiest, I think, because we've got here our parabola in turning point form, and on Monday we're going to see how do we turn any parabola into this form. And we're given the turning point. The turning point basically tells us the two important values we need. It tells us P and it tells us Q. So y equals ax minus 1. It's given to us. It's moved right by 1. So then it looks like there's a negative 1 because we're subtracting 1. And how much did it move up by? Well, it tells us it moved up by 4 because that's our Q value. That's in turning point form. This is TP form. Okay, what do you think we do next? Substitute a point of the graph in. Don't substitute this point in because then we're going to get a times 0. And then we're going to get 4 equals 4, which is great, but it doesn't help us. So there's another point. We don't know what that point is, but there's a point we know. As you know, I like putting coordinates in full coordinate form. So this is x value is 3, y value is 0. So now we can just substitute that in. So our y value we said was 0 equals a, x value is 3, 3 minus 1, must be a squared there, squared plus 4. Okay, then we can just work it out. There's an equation, and there's one thing we don't know, so we can figure it out. So 0 equals 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 squared is 4, so 4a plus 4. Let's subtract 4 from each side, and negative 4 equals 4a. Divide that by 4, divide that by 4. So negative 1 equals a. So therefore our equation must be y equals negative 1 x minus 1 squared plus 4. Always like to check that a value, negative 1. Yes, it's a side parabola, so it should be a negative value. It's moved up by 4, it's moved right by 1. Yeah, it's kind of fitting in with what we'd expect. So there it is. Turning point, straight in, you're given P and Q. Substitute the other value and you're home free.